Well, Belle Tress has done it again. I do not know what's going on over at Belle Tress, but they are killing it, truly. The styles and the colors that they are coming out with are the most amazing, bar none. Obviously, this is just opinion, but I am so loving Belle Tress these days, and today I get to tell you all about the gorgeous Hepburn in the color Sparkling Champagne Blonde R. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here on behalf of 𝖺EERki𝗂𝗋𝗂𝗋𝗂 to bring you this review of Hepburn. I've had this wig for a little while, and I am super sad that I didn't know it. Truly, this is so cute. I'm in love. Again, if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that right now I'm really digging bangs, and this one has not only bangs, but it has the face framing that is just so incredibly flattering, and absolutely a style I could never achieve with human hair. But first, 𝗏𝗎ki𝗂 is an online retailer. They also have some in-person wig shops. They've got wig shops in Canada and one in the US, another one coming soon, but they have online stores in the US, Canada, and the UK. Now, you may think anyone can shop at any store that's online, but that's not as easy to do, and it's great that they have expanded so much. So our wig sisters in the UK, for example, can now experience some of these amazing styles when maybe they couldn't have before. Definitely check them out. I have a link in the description box, a coupon code that will save you money. They do live sales every Tuesday with huge discounts and giveaways, so you definitely should check that out. You can just go to their website and the live will pop up when it's happening. Let's take a look at Hepburn from all sides. I had to linger for a moment so that you could see these gorgeous curls. It's really beautiful, and to be honest, as someone who wears human hair and synthetic, it's hard to achieve curl like this on human hair. And in case you're brand new to wigs, the beauty is that these are baked in, so you do not have to restyle this. You wash it and it will dry just like this. Just stunning. Now the bang is a little bit long for me. I would say this bang needs a little trimming and possibly even a little thinning. It does feel just slightly heavy for me and for my preferences. It does sweep to the side really well though, so if you don't want to wear it with a full bang, let me just look in the mirror here. You can play with it. This is made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers, so you can take heat to this one, and then you could train these bangs so that they would go more to this side if you want to. But I have a video showing how you can take a thinning razor to bangs, especially bangs that already exist like this, and trim them right up. Really easy to do. You don't have to have any skill. You can find that video in the description box below. This one does have a lace front, so you can pull the bangs off your face if you don't want to wear it with the full bang. And you know, you can take heat to this. The bangs, I'm not sure how easy it would be to get these bangs to maybe have some lift and to stay up, but you could, and heat allows you to do so much with heat-friendly wigs. You could use a hair dryer, you could use a round brush, you could use a brush and a hair dryer, you can use a hot comb, and especially if you are an 80s girl and you grew up in the 80s, I think if you played with this enough, you could get some lift in these bangs. So you don't have to wear it with a full bang if that isn't your preference. Another huge benefit of this one is that she's mostly hand-tied. So we have extended lace, silicone on the ear tabs, very, very thin ear tabs. If you struggle with ear tabs being too bulky, maybe you wear glasses and they kind of get in the way. I've even heard from wig sisters who wear glasses and hearing aids. So really thin ear tabs, which are really wonderful. We have a full mono top. It's actually a double layer. There's like a layer of tulle over the mono top. And so you can part it anywhere you want up there. All of this is hand tied. all of this is hand tied, and then we've got a little bit of closed wefting toward the bottom. We do have an extended nape, and we've got Velcro adjusters. So this is part of their Icons collection, which is a brand new collection from Belle Tress. I love Icons caps, really love them. They are very comfortable, very lightweight. They feel like practically nothing on your head. Obviously, you've got something on your head, but I will just say, at some point when you get used to wearing wigs, you don't notice them as much as you do in the beginning. And we're all different. Some of us are going to notice them a lot more than others. But I just want you to see as I'm talking how easy it is to throw a wig like this on and sort of arrange it. Obviously, if I was keeping this piece, which I review a lot of wigs that aren't mine. I'm just reviewing them. But if it were mine, I would be trimming up these bangs so it would lay a little bit better. But the thing is, when you wear wigs for a while, you do get sort of used to having something on your head, and these Icons caps are so light and thin. I feel nothing on this when I do this. Now, of course, I can feel the seam if I put my fingers in there, but if I'm just sort of placing my hand on my head, I feel nothing. And that is such a wonderful feeling for a full-time wig wearer, because you do sort of wish that you could touch your head and not feel anything. And when I'm wearing a cap like this that's so thin, has no permatease at all, I do find myself touching my head a lot. And these fibers are silky and soft and feel so much like human hair. I know I'm raving. I really love these Icons caps. I love Belle Tress heat-friendly fibers. There's just so much to love about this style. Let's talk about fit. The Icons caps fit pretty true to average. I get a fair amount of extra cap. I can really do this. That means there's a lot of room inside this cap that my head is not filling out. It's okay though, because they're very soft and flexible, so they sit fine. I don't feel like I get any type of a cone head or bulking from that. So really what it means is you can be a lot bigger than you are on your over-the-top measurements, ear to ear and front to nape, bigger than I am, and this should still fit you. I do cinch them in as well, and I get a lot of stretch out of this one. So I think these Icons are fitting really true to average. They're not super huge on me, like Belle Tress used to be from their cafe collection. If you've been around for a while, you might be familiar with that, but it definitely fits a little larger than average, so it's going to fit a huge range of head measurements in my opinion, and you can find all my measurements in the description box below. I think I covered all the major segments. All I can say, if you like layered, slightly curly styles, you like a bang, this is going to be one you're going to want to check out. You can absolutely wear this one up. You can throw it up in a ponytail if you want to. Might have to tug that down a little bit. A ponytail, and would be so cute with the face framing layers. You could do a twist, maybe a French twist with a claw clip, which honestly would be so cute with the curls. And so this could be a great updo wig. It could be a great event hair, great wedding hair. I do think this is going to have a lot of possibility. And obviously it could also be good everyday hair. It's a really good manageable length. Fantastic. Okay, enough. Let's talk about color. Sparkling Champagne Blonde R. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised about this color. I don't think I've seen it yet. So it is a rooted blonde, but it's just a very subtle, very neutral based color. So let's talk for a moment about warm tone versus cool tone. The way that I like to think about it is when I look at a wig, and if it pulls a lot of red, or if it's very golden, I'm thinking when I look at the color I think gold, or even sometimes yellow for the blondes. Those are warmer colors. When I look at a color and I see maybe a little bit of gray, and I think it kind of looks gray in some lighting, then I think it's more cool toned. But a color like this, I think is more neutral, leaning cool, because I don't see any yellows, I don't see any gold, but I do see a little tiny bit of what could potentially be the very smallest hint of gray, depending on the lighting, which tells me it's leaning cool, but it's very hard to see. So what they've described this as a champagne blonde base blended with light golden and beige tones. Just because they used some golden blonde doesn't mean that it looks golden. So remember that. I'm really not seeing a lot of gold in this. And then it has some soft medium ash brown, and it's really that ash brown that I think gives it the very slightest hint of gray. It's not a gray color. It won't look gray, but what that does is it allows this to work for people who do better with cooler tones. All of our skin, we've got, you know, colors that look best on us, and sometimes warmer colors look best, sometimes cooler. I think this one does great for people in between. And then we've got dark blonde roots. So they look wonderful. They are not dark. They said they used a dark blonde. I would say maybe a light brown. They're much lighter than they're going to look inside here, which you will see outside. So if you've struggled with rooted blondes seeming like they're too dark in the root, this one is not that. I love this color. I think it's going to work for blondes and brunettes who can wear blondes. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. Don't forget about 𝖺Kwali, you guys. They are wonderful. I'm so blessed to be able to work with them and show you guys so many styles. This one is a winner. See you soon. Belle Tress just keeps doing it, I swear. All right, so Hepburn just came out of the box. I took my wide tooth comb and I just played with these bangs to see how I could get them to lay. And she fell like this. I think she is so cute. And I don't know that I've seen this color, sparkling champagne blonde, from Belle Tress. I'll have to look. I have been on the lookout for a wig that has bangs and that feathers back with like these layers. I may have found it. I don't know. I just got her out of the box, so I haven't looked at her too much, but these Icons Collections wigs are just amazing. What a beautiful color. As always, let me know what you think.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.